Another one from Red Dirt Restoration. But if you didn't know it, this is the stuff. Little steel wool, and put it in a bottle. Market poison. I'm working on the 88 still, and got the upper painted, fenders are painted, body work's all done. Just got the hood off today, and just pull the doors off or do the doors on and pull the bed off, do all the body work on the bed. Fenders hanging up. We got some color sand and buff drip to deal with. There's the other one. And so what we did was super clean. Got all of the grime off of the inside of the hood. Cherry. And so let's see if this is really the only spot. Where are we? Rust is really only right here. Hopefully be able to fill it. This one and this one is pretty deep. Had a little upper dent on I'm trying not to damage it. Oh, that's fine. Put it like that. Sorry about that. Where are we? Finger. Here we go. That was a little dent on this reel. Came up, gave it a little taps, didn't want to do anything, so I just took the file to it, dropped it down. And we had all this stuff with front here with some more aggressive, and then it's all knocked down to 1500 right now. I'm just gonna let it dry. I'm gonna go to town, get away from the thing, get away from it. The one thing I always love, any videos are good. Watched a Bondo video the other day, and he said kick yourself off. As soon as it starts to kick, boom, walk away, leave it alone, drop your trowel or your little patty knife. Red Dirt Restoration next time.